Hello everyone, it's John here from Winning Solutions Inc. and today I will be bringing you all another Microsoft Access Expert template walkthrough. I will be showing you where to find the template database on our website, how to download the template database demo, and how to use the demo properly. Most of our templates are not designed to be used on their own. Instead, they are designed in a way that makes it simple and smooth to integrate into an existing database that you're already using. You can also build a more robust Microsoft Access database that is built around one of our templates. If you would like to create a new database that is based off one of our templates and don't know how, or don't have the time to do so, let us know and we'd be happy to help you getting the database that 100% fits your needs. With most of our templates that we offer, there are 3 different versions that you can purchase. A compiled runtime version, one for internal use, and one for unlimited developer use. The compiled runtime version is a run-as-is version without the paid full version of Microsoft Access using free access runtime from Microsoft. It can be integrated into your existing Access application, but you will not be able to make any modifications to the forms, reports, modules, etc. This option is more for those of you who don't see any need to make any customizations to the template. The internal use is a version that allows you to use or modify the databases however you wish within the organization. The unlimited developer use allows you to use the database template however you wish for any applications you develop. And it also allows you to distribute the template as part of a database you create. Winning Solutions Inc.'s templates have a strong advantage over shrink-wrap software that you purchase from a store or website. With our templates, you receive the source code along with your purchase, so you are able to customize and update the database as you please. With shrink-wrap software, you do not receive the source code when purchasing the software, and that means you can't update or customize the database. In our video today, we will be working with a demo version of our database template. A demo is a simple way that you can view or try out our database templates so that you can determine if you would like to purchase the database template or not. This is great for customers due to the fact that all of our sales are final. And our sales are final because we give you the source code when you purchase a template, and once we give you that source code, there's really no way you can return it. If you would like to test our demos for multiple days, you're free to do so. You just have to leave the database open so the data you entered will not be wiped. Our demos are designed so that once you close the demo, all the data entered is wiped from the database. And you have to purchase the full version if you would like to save your data that you enter. Upon downloading a demo, you have to unzip the downloaded file. And zipped files make it much easier to send and download large files over the web, so that's why we do that. Unzipping a file is very simple though. All you have to do is extract the file so you have access to the uncompressed file. If you do not know how to do it or don't understand how to unzip a file, check out our YouTube channel and watch the How to Unzip One of Our Files video tutorial to learn this simple step. The link to that video is in the description of this video, actually. So now let us get into downloading and testing one of our own demos. Alright, we're going to start off by going to our website, microsoftaccessexpert.com. On the top of the website there is a toolbar right up here, and this is all the various ways to contact Winning Solutions Inc. And if you go over to the sidebar on the left and go under Database Templates for Sale, and then click on Database Templates List. Alright, this is a view of all of our templates that we offer. And as you can see, it's broken up into categories. First one is most popular, second is appointment and scheduling, calendars, and so on, all the way down to database tools and miscellaneous templates. Today, I will be showing you the Access Accountant Appointment Tracking Database template. What you will need to do is download the demonstration that correctly corresponds to the version of Access your computer has. Once that file is downloaded, go ahead and open it. Next, you will need to extract that file since it is in a zipped folder. Alright, and now you'll be able to open the database without any issues. Okay, and this is just a security notice that pops up, just alerting you that this database is coming from the web and it can be potentially harmful for your computer to open, but I can assure you that this database is safe. Alright, so this is the Accountant Appointment Tracking Database template. It's great for keeping track of all of your appointments and clientele in one spot. Okay, to start we'll do Add New Client. Okay. For now I'll just fill out a first and last name, email, and an address line. But as you can see, there's plenty of stuff that you can fill out, such as notes, call history, appointment history, and payment history. And you can also add a picture of the client if you want to, along with phone numbers and all sorts of good stuff. So the name I'll use is John Smith. Okay. And then I'll fill out an email. And then an address line. Alright, that should be good enough. And then hit save and close when you're done. Okay, now that client should be in the database, so we can now search for that client. We can just hit search if you want to return all of your clients in the database, but I'm just going to search by his last name. You can also search by all these other criteria too, and then hit search, and here's the client that we just created. From here you can double click it and you can view the client in the client form. You can also delete them if you want to. Okay, and you can also export search results to Excel, and I'll show you what that does real quick. Pulls all that information into a new workbook for you. So there you go. Alright, and the next thing we're going to do is add an appointment to the database. To do that, go to Calendar View. Alright, so today is June 8th, 2016. And if you want to switch days, you can just hit the left arrow or right arrow. So there you go. And then you can also hit the up arrow if you want a specific day in the year. But I'll just do today. And we'll make an appointment for noon. Okay. Client John Smith. I'm sorry, to make the appointment, just double click on any time slot. Okay. So client John Smith, and then accountant, we'll just do accountant 1. Keep in mind that all of this information in here can be changed, and I'll show you how to do that later. Same thing with type, you can change any of these. But for now we'll just do individual for $50, and as you can see the invoice amount went up $50, so that was according to whatever price was on it. So group $60, there you go. Location 1. You can also add appointment notes to this appointment and just do whatever. You can change the start time and end time, so there you go. And workers, you can add more workers, and payment information. Alright, but for now I'll just do select custom color, and we'll make this appointment blue. Save and close, and there you go. Shows up from noon to 12:30 on June 8th, 2016. The color of the appointment really helps out, just because when you have a lot of appointments back to back, you can change the colors, and that makes it real easy to distinguish when one appointment ends and another one begins. So it's quite nice. So this is the daily view. We can also look at weekly view and bi-weekly, month, and month day. So there you go. This is set at June 6th. There you go. Cool. Alright, and you can also view the calendar by a certain accountant if you only want to see like accountant 1's appointments. So there you go. And then accountant 2, there shouldn't be any. So there you go. Disappears on you. Alright, and that's pretty much all there is to the calendar. We can now search that appointment since it is in the database now. Okay, and we'll search by the accountant, accountant1, and run search. And there you go, that appointment we just created for noon to 12:30 on June 8th. And from here you can double click it to view it in the calendar form. That's what this says up here. Okay. And then you can also view it in the appointment form. And then double click it. Alright, and it's quite nice. You can change whatever you want to right here, or delete the appointment. You can also export the appointments to Excel, Alec Calendar, or Alec Task. You can also create a print detailed version. Okay, and that's what this would look like. It just shows up 2 lines on the detailed document. You can also do a print summary, which would just be 1 line for each appointment. Alright. And next we'll take a look at maintenance lookups. So this is all that drop-down information that I showed you earlier. It was in the appointment form, and I believe we saw location, service type, and accountants. So we'll change one of the accountants. We'll change accountant 2 to Jeff, and then we can also add more accountants. So we just create Sally, and as you can see, the asterisk symbol shows right here, and that means you can just keep on adding accountants if you want to. Alright, and then just hit close and it'll save automatically, so don't worry about that. And just to show you that it did change, we will make a new appointment, and accountant 2 should be changed, perfect, to Jeff, and then Sally was added. So great. Alright, next thing we're going to look at is calendar setup. This is where you can change all the calendar parameters. Such as like first day of the week, you can change that to whatever day you want, and start time of each day, likewise. Calendar colors, you can change any of this. If it looks more appealing to you, you can change it to a different color. Yeah, it's pretty cool. And then we'll take a look at reports lastly. So you can enter a start date, and we'll make that the 1st of the month, and then we'll make the 15th be the end date. So a 2-week period. You can print invoices for that time duration. So here you go. Since that appointment that we made was on the 8th, it was between the time parameter, it will show up on the invoice. So $60 was the invoice amount, and you can also see other information about it. You can also create accounts receivable and a cash ledger, but I won't do that for now. And that's pretty much all there is to this database. It's pretty simple to operate, so yeah, and it's quite powerful. So I'm going to go ahead and thank you guys for taking your time to watch this Microsoft Access Expert template walkthrough, brought to you by Winning Solutions Inc. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please feel free to give us a like or subscribe to our YouTube channel for tons of other walkthroughs and tutorials. As always, feel free to contact us for any of your IT needs, whether it be programming needed, you want to buy a template, or need help customizing a template. Contact us whenever you'd like. I'm going to go ahead and post our contact information in the description below of this video. Also, you can find us on about any social media website. Feel free to follow us or like us on any of those, and have a great day.